This video is about how to use the graphing tool within MyMathLab on your assignments. So to begin with, we're given this equation, x squared plus y squared equals 196. We already recognize that form as the equation of a circle, so we know we're going to be graphing a circle. I'm not going to go through the details of the features of the graph because they're already correctly identified. This particular video is more about how to make that graph within MyMathLab. So you do have a few options. You could scroll down and you could do click to enlarge graph, and notice that it comes up in kind of a pop-out window where the tools, the graphing tools, are located here on the side. And you could save your graph from there. If you click over here in this space to the right, as soon as I click, notice that my graphing tools appear at the bottom of the screen. I can zoom in, zoom out. I can also pop out this window like I had done before when I clicked to enlarge graph. The issue here is that we're automatically given this blue line. And that blue line we know is not part of this graph. This graph is a circle. So select it and then delete it. And okay, we want to delete the line. Next, you want to input a circle in this grid. So click the circle tool. And you'll notice that you have this point kind of just hovering around. And what that point is the center. So go ahead and pin the center. And then open up the circle to those intercepts that were identified earlier. And then you can check your answer.